the help of map, we can find the travel route Bhopal from Hyderabad, and we have to travel north to south direction. In the same way, traveling Chennai from Lucknow south to north direction, we have to travel. To Bhubaneswar from Mumbai east to west direction, we have to travel. Jaipur from Kohima, we have to travel in west to east direction. To AP North, Odisha and Chhattisgarh, to West Maharashtra and Karnataka are located. To South Tamil Nadu is located. To East Bay of Bengal is located. Symbols. We use symbols to show any physical object on the map. If we are asked to show Delhi in India map, we will mark a point and label it as Delhi. To show the river Manjira, we draw a line along its course. For the railway line, we will draw a track line to represent it. Measuring heights on land. All heights on the land are calculated from the sea level, since all seas in the world are connected to other sea level. Look at the picture of Nimpur village below to understand this idea. Nimpur village is 50 meters above the sea level. Temple is 100 meters above the sea level. Top of the hill is 150 meters above the sea level. Showing heights on a map. Map shows 3 height zones in the map. Firstly, areas which are between 0 meter height and 50 meter height. Areas which are between 51 meter to 100 meter is second. And third type, areas which are between 101 meter to 150 meter. Heights are shown in different shapes or colors. Contour lines. A contour is a line joining the places with equal height. On the map of Nimpur, you would have seen that there is a line passing through the village. This is the 50-meter contour line. All places on this line will have the same height of 50 meters. Contour lines will be in irregular shape depending upon the landforms. These cannot cut with each other. If the land has a step climb, then the contour lines will be near to each other. If the slope of the land is gentle, then the contour lines will be quite far from each other. Mean sea level. There are high tides and low tides on the level of the sea, and they never stand still. As a result of this phenomenon, the level of the sea keeps on either rising or falling. Which of these heights do we take as the sea level or 0 meter height? In order to solve this problem, the level of the sea is carefully measured at frequent intervals and the mean level of the sea is calculated. Over a period of time, scientists observed the height and low levels of the sea, and they have come to one calculated average level, which is known as mean sea level. Height of railway station also we can find with the help of display board. The height is mentioned as MSL.